Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel's Bradland Public School, will teach you Computer of Grade 5. I hope you all have purchased your book set. If not, then purchase it soon. This is your computer book, Tool 16. This is its cover page, and you have to maintain one 4-line interleave copy for computer subject, and you have write your daily assignments in your classwork notebook. You have to learn these assignments as after each chapter there will be a test. Chapter 1 is divided in 3 videos, so let's start with the part 1 today.
So, students, it's chapter number 1, Evolution of Computers. Every aspect of our lives in this present era has been influenced by the most advanced machine known as a computer. Initially, computers were used only by the scientists, engineers for complex calculations and were very expensive. But nowadays, computers can be afforded by small organizations and even individuals. Computers have now become a basic need because of their use at almost every workplace. Computers are used extensively in banks, hospitals, media and entertainment, industries, schools, homes and space technology and research, railways, airports, and so on. The term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate, but a computer is not limited to perform only calculations. A computer is a versatile device that can handle different applications at the same time. Students, can you tell me who is he? He is Andre Truong Trong Thi, 1936 to 2005, a Vietnamese French engineer, is considered to be the father of personal computer for creating the microcomputer based on Intel 8008 processor in 1973. Do you know how a computer came into existence? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculations. Let us glance through the major milestones in the journey leading to the evolution of present day computer. Let us talk about history of computers. The need to keep a track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices right from the abacus, the first counting device. Many devices were invented leading to the development of computer. Let us talk about calculating devices. 3000 BC abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculation developed in China. It was made up of wooden frame with rods, each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heavens has two beads and each rod in earth has five beads. It was used for additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. Let me share you interesting fact. In 1617, John Napier made a calculating device, a set of rectangular rods called Napier's bones. The rods were made up of carved bones which were used for performing addition, subtractions, multiplications division, and square root. Pascal's adding machine. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented an adding machine called Pascal's calculator at the age of 19 in the year 1642. It used gears, wheels, and dials. Numbers were displayed by the rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. The gear principles was further employed in the many mechanical calculators. Taximeter is a perfect example of calculator. Leibniz calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, improved on Pascal's machine in 1671. Leibniz calculator was a mechanical device. Apart from performing addition and subtractions, the Leibniz calculator could even do multiplications, division, and find square roots. So students, thank you very much to watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.